Welcome back to Kenya. My name is Nicholas. This is Eating That Canoe. If this is your first time to be here with us, this street is called Juja, one of the busiest streets you're going to find in Juja town. So we are looking for, we are going to do Mutura video. Mutura is, I think it is called Mutura. You know, when you're from outside Kenya, you're going to pronounce it differently. But I'm going to do Mutura, because one of the videos I've been looking for, but we have come late. I wanted to show you how it is prepared, what they use, but I came here late. So let us go into the video. We are going to enjoy some of it. We see how much it costs and what they do and what is the combo. You know, when I hear the word the combo, what is in my head is something big, something in plenty. So let's get into the video and see what we have. So we have landed in action. A lot is happening here. So we missed the way how it is prepared. But can you tell people what do you use to come up with a mutura?
First, you have to be with beef meat. They are called intestine.
Yeah, intestine.
You have to use intestine. After having those beef meat,
yes,
you have to boil them,
yes,
so that they will be not that much hard. After that, we have to cut in small sizes. After cutting in small sizes, or we can mist, so that it will be we can be able to occupy this. We can be able to put those meat in the intestines. Whereby, after that, you have to come out with fire, like we are doing right now.
yes.
We burn it. They used to know how Mutura will be.
Yeah, they want to know how this is. We see this on TVs and even pictures, but we don't know how it is made. In Uganda, where you can find it is only in eastern Uganda, because it is near Kenya. Yes.
Okay.
That is the only place I found this. So when I reached here, I wanted to look for Mutura and see how it is prepared, but again I missed it. But what he was trying to explain is they get the large, these are called sockets, I think. Sockets. So they sometimes they use minced meat, and those offals they cut them into small pieces, and then after they also add some ingredients. They add salt and then onions, pepper, what we call green pepper in Uganda. I don't know if this side they call it green pepper or pepper. And after that they put all what they have mixed up into the socket. So the socket is what you're watching right now. It is what they call mutura. In Uganda, in my language, I don't know how this is made, but if you're watching this video, you can tell us how do you call this in your language, wherever you're watching us from. Thank you so much for allowing us to do this video with you. Yeah, my people back home will be happy.
Can you wait?
Can I do what?
Can you wait?
Eat
so
what?
Can you wait so that you can taste how it is?
I eat. Yeah, I'm going to taste. Of course, I have to buy and eat with. My people need to see what is this.
What is it?
Yes, I have to eat. This is one of the customers. I think he doesn't miss this. What I discovered about this country is these people use mobile money, the Mpesa, to pay everywhere. If you don't have cash, you can pay. Not like us where I come from. I don't want to talk about other countries. Let me talk about what I know or what I understand. In Uganda, we move with cash. Some people don't want mobile money because of the charges, but other people are trying to get I'm forgetting what they call, but okay, let me leave that. But this side they use Mpesa. When you get a matatu, you get a taxi, you use Mpesa. When you use a boda, you use Mpesa. You're buying groundnuts on the street, even if anything costs 20 bob or 5 bob, you're going to use mobile money. That is Mpesa here. So Those who are watching this video, don't call this a, I know some of you are confused, you might call this a snake, but they are not snakes. They are not snakes. This is one of the favorite street foods you're going to find in East Africa, in Kenya, Nairobi. I found a fellow Ugandan here, a fellow Ugandan from eastern side. Introduce yourself, people need to know you. Greet them in your language, not in my language. Me, I'm from Central, you're from eastern side. Let them know you. You can look here in the camera and speak, don't worry, just speak. Yeah?
Oh, Bashoga only, yeah?
Not Bashoga only. Not Bashoga only.
My language.
Hey, you just speak, don't worry, no, speak.
No.
A lot of people watch these videos from different tribes. So which language do you want to use? Which language do you want to use?
Teso.
You speak, you use this.
No.
You forgot your language. You know Swahili. I think it's okay to speak Swahili, but he's so busy. Anyone who would want to say anything to people? Eh? Don't run away from the camera. Be free. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So what do you do in Kenya?
Just hustle.
Just hustle.
Yeah. I'm a butcher guy.
You're a butcher guy.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you. Anything you do want to tell people in other countries? Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, West Africa, Western side, Europe. Any message you want to send to them? Encourage them to come visit us, enjoy our street foods.
Although our economy is getting a bit.
Our economy.
Yeah. A bit tough.
I
But
know.
Kenya is a good place.
Yeah, Kenya is a good place. Just that nowadays everything is so expensive.
Yeah.
I think if I can compare Mutura to one of the Ugandan foods, that will be the grasshoppers than senene, because grasshoppers will never lose market. Will never, everyone, whenever you see them, they are going to attract you. They are going to call you, come and buy me. This is the same with Mutura. You see it, you right away want to go and taste it. You right away want to go and buy it. So I'm comparing Mutura to Ugandan to grasshoppers in senene, which we always have the seasonal grasshoppers we always have in Uganda in May and also in September. Hope those are the right months I've said, September, November. But I think Mutura is so good. One of the popular street foods you're going to find in East Africa, in Nairobi, in Kenya, I'm not sure about Tanzania. Since I'm in Nairobi, let me say Nairobi. and I saw it is so affordable. I think, how much is it?
How much does it cost?
Yes.
You can start from 20 to
From 20 bob to go up.
Yeah, even 1,000 if you want it.
So they start from 20 bob, that is 20 Kenyan shillings. As you go up, you can eat as many as you want, as long as you can pay. So I think let me eat and let leave this place. How do you see that? But you can come and be part of this video. Come, we eat together. I know you're far, but you can eat through the screen. So I've seen kachumbari. What is in that?
Kachumbari.
Yeah, is that
We will have tomatoes.
tomatoes?
And the chili.
Tomatoes and chili.
Yeah.
So tomatoes are spiced with chili.
Yeah.
Woo. Okay, I think I need to test this and then we close this video. Yeah. Now this one is done. What else can we do? You can tell us in the comment section what we can do before we go back to Uganda. Tell us what we can do from this side. I ordered for 40 bob, that is 40 shillings, 40 Kenyan shillings, 40 bob. So they added a bit of chili, their kachumbari, the chili. So it's my time to taste. If you're a chili lover, you're not going to leave this place. Well, thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Thank you so much for watching. Please recommend other places we can go to before we leave Kenya. Before we go to other places. What bob is less. Woo. I think chili is, if you're not a chili lover, you wouldn't want to you wouldn't want to ask to taste their kachumbari. I'm always trying to convince these people that where I grew up, kachumbari is not part of our dish. We just put it alongside the food. If you want, you can add it. If you don't want, you don't bother yourself. Woo. Okay, bye for now. Catch up later in the next video. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. There is one extra thing I would like to ask from you. We have a GoFundMe for this channel. We want to buy channel equipments. We want to buy the wide length for the channel, and also other kind of support, because we need to travel this world together. You know what I want. We know what I do best is travel, eat, and I want to share always those stories with you. So please, for this GoFundMe, which you're going to find in the description box of this very video after watching it, go there, you support with any amount of money you have. You don't need to have a lot, but anything from your heart can add something onto this channel. Thank you so much. Catch up later in the next video. Bye bye.